Welcome back to QuizHub! Today we'll play Pick One, Kick One, Animals Edition! Are you ready? Let's go! Would you rather take care of a panda or a koala? Would you rather hug a baby monkey or a gorilla? Who do you think is much cuter? Who do you think is stronger? Would you like to be friends with a parrot or an owl? Would you rather raise a chicken or a pig? Who is more intelligent? Would you like to have a dolphin or a rabbit? Would you rather ride a horse or a sheep? Who is cuter, penguin or duck? Who is more scary, alligator or snake? Would you rather have a hedgehog as a pet or a fish? Would you rather meet a grizzly bear or a polar bear? Who is more scary, a killer whale or a shark? Would you rather race a zebra or giraffe? Would you rather hug a kangaroo or elephant? Would you rather ride an ostrich or a camel? Would you rather stroke a mouse or squirrel? Would you rather own a goat or a fox? Would you rather have a frog or a bat as a friend? Would you rather swim with octopus or jellyfish? Would you rather eat a shrimp or crab? Who is more faster, a snail or a turtle? Would you rather take care of a butterfly or a dragonfly? Would you rather get bit by a mosquito or ants? Would you rather take care of a lizard or spider? Who do you think is much stronger? Would you rather take care of a capybara or hippopotamus? Would you rather take care of a guinea pig or a hamster? Would you rather raise a dog or be a dog?